Hey guys, today we're exploring one of our favorite areas.
Old Town Cottonwood. It's nestled a little bit in between a popular Sedona and popular Jerome, so it's a great place to stop over.
Right, and actually Sedona View RV Park is technically in Cottonwood, outside of the main city area that we've spent months and months at.
Yeah, so we've had an opportunity to have dinner a couple times, do a little shopping. Hey Tom, I found a vase that we can put in the RV. Think it'll fit? And it's such a cute little town. A lot of
really
history
is.
here.
Yeah, right. We've eaten at 2 restaurants so far here, and they were both awesome.
Yes.
Bocce,
Mm-hmm.
that's how you say it?
And Belfry, and they were both amazing.
Right.
Yeah.
But we're going to take a little tour around and kind of
check
show
out the
you
town.
A little bit of it.
So you can see too.
I'm Tom.
I'm Cheri.
And we're EnjoyTheJourney.Life.
Come on. Coffee, because adulting is hard. And I love sleep because it's like a time machine to breakfast.
And if you want to get your authentic Red Rock shirt, this one's actually been made with authentic Sedona Red Rock dust. How cool is that? Riding dirty. Another thing this area is known for is UFOs. Have you ever seen a UFO? Whoa!
Whoa!
And if you want to stay in a hotel, they've got 2 of them here in Old Town Cottonwood. And this is one of them. Look at this cool little courtyard they have.
Why, oh why, are deserts dry? It's been raining and snowing every day. Almond spiked eggnog, coffee, and a sampler. We should get a sampler.
We're gonna go to ancient ruins and pick up chocolate.
Beach tribe. I don't see one for mountains, sorry.
You mean even they were beach tribe out here in the desert?
Yeah, because they like water. Water's a thing. See, even the women, as many chores as they had during the day, they still took time to create jewelry.
Wow, so literally I guess, sand and wind and just kind of
Grass
filled
grew
it in.
And yeah.
This is pretty cool.
Yeah, pretty cool.
We're at Tuzigoot National Monument near Cottonwood, Arizona. And we've been through this area a number of times before, but finally stopped by.
Right, even the RV park that we were in has a view of this and we didn't even see it, and it's up on a hill.
Yeah.
How did we miss this?
Yeah, really cool Indian ruins of the Sinagwe people. Hopefully we're saying that right.
All I know is Tuzigoot.
Maybe in its peak, there was 6,000 to 8,000 people that lived in and around the area, farming the land.
Look at the view they had, it was awesome.
Right, we've got Dead Horse State Park over here. We've done some hiking over there. Mingus Mountain in the back.
We did hear that there was a lake to kayak, so we brought our kayaks. There's no lake.
It's all dried up. So you can still kayak in the desert. Less water, but we found some.
Logan, you excited about kayaking?
Yeah, I am actually. I've never done it before, so this will be a first.
Hey. On your mark. Get set. Go!
You know, this is pretty fun, and even better, there's no alligators. So, it's a win in my book.
But they have water moccasins.
What is that?
That's a snake.
Oh, jeez.
Now just take me up to the truck.
Valet service.
Well, we've had quite a day exploring and we have worked up an appetite. So we have come back to one of our favorite places here in Old Town Cottonwood, the Belfry. It used to be an old church. So let's go find out some more about the Belfry. Wear your mask.
So this restaurant used to be an old church. You can actually see some of the original church pews over here, and they're inside as well. Andrew,
Yes, hello,
you were
hello.
telling me about the Hop Knocker IPA, your original IPA, right?
Yep, so we are Belfry Brewery. We are a small family-owned business that opened up October 1st to the general public. And so our traditional and one of the first IPAs we created was the Hop Knocker IPA. And so over here, I'll show you just a little bit of fun details about it. It's a West Coast style IPA, very light body, crispy, clean. That's got a lot with the fresh hops that you see in the bags right behind you there. It's got a little bit of floral and pine at 7.2% in alcohol. It's an IPA that will always be with the Belfry, as far as I know, because it is one of the top sellers. Yeah, it's amazing,
Awesome.
beautiful, full of flavor.
Well, let's try that one.
Okay.
then.
Brussels sprouts really aren't my favorites, but when they're cooked well, or they're done right, so good. Whoa. Wow, there's got goat cheese and walnuts in there, and some kind of vinaigrette. Oh, wow.
So how much do I like these Brussels sprouts? You're trying to get me to like them.
Wow, those are pretty good.
I guess I'll have these.
What did you get there, Cheri?
I don't know what it's called. Some kind of lemon berry. I don't know, but it's good.
Head for the sun, follow your footsteps, edge of the world, right to your doorstep, home. Anywhere you wanna go, beyond the stars.